Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to clean the filter in your washing machine by yourself. Before we start, make sure to unplug the washing machine from the outlet to safely cut off the power. Only after doing that can we proceed. Find the small panel or door at the bottom of your machine. In this specific model, there is an emergency drain hose under the cover, but it's not present in all machines. Besides, it is often clogged. So, let's look at the most common scenario, as if we don't have this hose at all. There's always some water left inside the system, usually about 100 to 150 grams. Therefore, be sure to place a floor cloth underneath and start slowly unscrewing the filter counterclockwise. The most important thing is that you must not unscrew it quickly. Otherwise, all the water will rush out at once. Open the filter just a little bit. Wait for some water to drain onto the cloth and tighten it back. Squeeze out the cloth, place it back, and open the plug slightly again. Repeat this procedure a few times until the water stops flowing. When the water is completely gone, carefully pull out the filter. As you can see, a lot of debris has accumulated inside. Coins, some scraps of paper, and pieces of dirt. A whole warehouse. Remove all this debris, then take a flashlight and look inside the opening. There you will see the green impeller of the drain pump. Sometimes foreign objects get right under it and jam the pump. Using any long object, like a screwdriver or scissors, try to spin it. In our case, the impeller rotates freely and nothing blocks it. Now, let's move on to the reassembly. pay attention to the filter plug itself. There is a rubber gasket along its edge, which must fit as tightly as possible against the plastic rim inside the machine. If even a grain of sand or thread gets in there, the filter will start leaking. Therefore, thoroughly wipe the seating area inside and the filter itself from any remaining dirt with a clean cloth. Insert the filter back. Make sure it goes in straight. And tighten it clockwise until it stops. After that, wipe the entire area under the filter completely dry so you can check for leaks. Plug the washing machine back into the outlet and start any wash program to let the water fill. Closely inspect the area around the plug. If the water is filling up and nothing is dripping, then the job is done correctly. Finally, close the decorative panel. It is worth noting that on many machines, instead of a small hatch, a solid bottom panel with clips is installed, which can be difficult to remove. If you have exactly this kind of model and run into difficulties, write the brand of your appliance in the comments, and I will try to shoot a separate video for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.